would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Let it go, paint my body gold. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round.
Hey guys, so here is the Huda Beauty New Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist, and this is designed to prep the skin. You can use this before makeup, you can use this after makeup for, of course, the dewy look, and you can use this throughout the day for, extra hydration. As you can see through the bottle, this is a milky spray infused with a blend of coconut water and a hint of coconut oil. Not heavy at all. You can take a bath in this and still achieve a healthy glow without looking like a grease ball. Guys, I just have one word for this product, just one word, that it is phenomenal. It is a must-have product. Trust me guys, I have not used any other illuminating stuff on my face. The glow you see here, I mean, this product is speaking for itself. Doesn't have any strong fragrance. It has very mild refreshing fragrance, which I absolutely love. I highly recommend this.